I flew last night to Park City, Utah, and I brought my bike. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I easily and quickly fly with my bike, and most importantly, how I just check this as luggage because I don't get charged a bike fee. So let's unbox my bike and accessories and show you how I easily fly with my bike. In this setup, we have the Airporter Slim with a bike and all my accessories inside. And then this is my carry-on bag. This is the Tern go-to bag that clicks onto the front end of my bike once it's all unboxed. We set this aside. The Airporter Slim, this is a piece of luggage that is specifically designed for the Tern BYB folding bike. Nice molded design. The wheels make it look like a piece of normal luggage. When I checked this yesterday with all of my accessories inside, as you see it, it was 50.6 pounds. The zipper does have a locking feature. This is a TSA 007 lock. There's a strap webbing system. Unclip that. I haven't unboxed this since it went through TSA, so fingers crossed. Nice padded setup. And on the outside of the padding, I store two things. This is a luggage truss for the CMT mount on the front of the bike. This is what the bag mounts to, and I use specially designed quick releases to mount this quickly to the front of the bike. The other thing I store on the outside is my lock. This is just a really short kryptonite keeper chain lock. Then inside, I'm gonna show you the accessories before I pull out the bike. This is a ride pocket. The ride pocket's kind of like the purse for my handlebar or center console. So it's where I would keep my phone, my wallet, my keys, and inside right now, just for storage, I keep a rear blinky light, quick releases, which are how I attach that luggage truss to the front of my bike. And then this little clip is what keeps my pedal on my crank for a folding bike pedal. This is my flat kit, and this will go into that bag on the front. Inside, I have all of my core flat pieces, turn tool, ratchet, flat kit, so it has a tube, tire lever, random zip ties, and a little pump. Tucked away over here is a new helmet that I'm trying out. This is the Fend folding helmet, and it collapses, snaps in, folds in on itself. I put it in its bag and then I store it nice and secure in this place within the Airporter Slim. I make sure that the helmet is not above this plastic plate because that's what's keeping the bag from being smushed onto the helmet. If I was gonna travel with just this bag and not use luggage, I would store my clothes in this section in stuff bags. Hey, future Arleigh here. I forgot to mention as I was recording this unboxing that I added an AirTag to my bike box. It's taped on the box inside under where the bike is. You would have to remove everything to get to it. And I tracked it the whole trip across the country. You can follow my Instagram stories to see that experience. And I'm gonna test it a little bit more here with friends where I send them with the AirTag to see how it tracks and if it notifies them. Because if my bike's stolen, I don't want to notify the person that stole it that they're being tracked. So something I just want to add in as I'm traveling more with my bike, I'm adding AirTags to various things to test them. Back to my video edit. The BYB is unique because it has 3 fold points. We have the handle post, and then 1, 2. Just adjust my handlebars. Install my pedal. Pull my pedal where it was stored. Pop it on. Make sure to put that clip behind it so it doesn't pop off when you're riding. And then I just need to accessorize and add some air to my tires. I'm gonna use those quick releases to install my luggage truss. Here's that ride pocket bag, which is like my center console. And then the go-to bag. And that, my friends, is how I fly by bike. A couple quick disclaimers to get out of the way. I do work for Tern Bicycles, but I owned this bike long before working for them. I actually purchased it when I owned a bike shop, and I bought it specifically to have a bike ready, packed in a suitcase, ready to travel, either thrown in the back of my car or into a plane. So I love that everything's so modular, tool-free. As a mechanic, the last thing I want to do is work on my own bike as I'm going on vacation. So I love this setup. If you fly with your bike or travel with your bike, I would love to hear from you. Let me know how you get it done and where you're going on your adventures. Until the next video, stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.